Hello Mzansi, do you still remember this couple? Oh well, dilo di stofong. Their family is a unit. Wife number 3 is accepted. The wives are all dressed up in white, including the husband. Monna wa ga Mphahlele, awa man, o tseba taba tša gagwe. On this Mnakwethu Tell All, Lawrence Mphahlele was asked why he introduced a third wife. His answer was he introduced Temogo as a potential third wife because he wants to discipline the two wives. He feels that the two wives that he has, they are too relaxed. So even if he gets married to Temogo and she does the same thing as the first two wives, he will continue to get another fourth wife just to put them in line. The first wife, Umamkhulu, does not have a problem with the other wives whatsoever, but her problem is that the husband did not complete her lobola. So, in Mphahlele's defense, he said that he opened a business for Umamkhulu so that she can make profit, and out of that profit, she can have her dream wedding, which the audience did not agree to that, but I see that as reason enough, Umamkhulu also said that she is the only wife that they recognize in the Mphahlele clan. The rest are just, official girlfriends. But according to tradition and law, she is the only wife that is married to Mphahlele. The girlfriend said that she does not mind waiting for Mphahlele to marry the two wives while she's still an official girlfriend. When I say that Ntate Mphahlele knows his stuff, the wives are in order, they don't argue, they listen to each other's views. This polygamy, I see it working out. They listen to each other. They don't listen to disagree. They listen to understand each other. Therefore, they will build a family. Of course, there's differences here and there, but they will conquer it as long as there's mutual respect. That's all we want. Anyway, that's it about Mnakwethu Tell All about Lawrence Mphahlele and the 3 wives. Till I see you again. Bye-bye.